In this video, I'm just going to show you how you can download Netbeans 8.2 with the Java JDK onto your computer at home. So this is the URL, the link to the Netbeans download page. I'll post this in the video description box as well, just so you've got it. And this will take you directly to the download page, which is here. Just go ahead and accept the license agreement if you're happy with that. And Netbeans is available for different operating systems. It's available for Linux, Mac, and Windows. On this system, I've just downloaded the 64-bit version. You can just go ahead and download that. I've downloaded it already, so it's actually sitting in my downloads folder. And let's go ahead and start the installation process. You may be asked for your admin password, which I shall type in. And this should start the installation process for Netbeans. It does take a couple of minutes, might even take 5 or 10 minutes just to install completely on your system. Okay, and the installer might just take a couple of minutes. I'm just going to click Next just to start the installation process. Just going really with the default locations just on my hard drive. Okay, I'm just going to click off or switch off check for updates just to save a little bit of time for the purposes of this video. But yeah, I'm quite happy just to start the installation of Netbeans. Now this might take even 5 or 6 minutes. So I'll just pause the video there and we'll resume it later on in the installation process. Okay, just starting the video again there. This did take probably about 5 or 6 minutes to get to this stage. So the files have been unpacked, extracted, and it looks like just a checksum going on at the moment. So we'll just give this a couple of seconds to carry on with the installation. So we're at the stage of almost completing the Netbeans installation now. Hopefully this won't take too long. Okay, and the installation is just about complete now. On this screen, you can choose whether to send anonymous user data to Netbeans. It's entirely up to yourself whether you want to check that box. But I'm just going to go ahead and finish the installation now. So hopefully on your desktop, if all is well, you should see a Netbeans icon near the top of your desktop. Obviously, this will be available via your programs as well, but let's go ahead and start Netbeans. And what we'll do is we'll just create a test program, a test project, just to see if this installation has in fact worked. This splash screen sometimes appears the first time you load up Netbeans. It might just appear just for a few seconds. And once Netbeans starts up, we should see the IDE appear on our screen. Okay, so this is Netbeans IDE. As I say, I'm just going to go to File at the top left, and we're just going to create a new Netbeans project. So a Netbeans project is really just a collection of files that make up our program, and I'm just going to go for the defaults there. Just a default Java application will be fine. On this screen here, I'm just going to give the project name, let's just call it Hello World. We're just going to go with the defaults. Normally you might want to save somewhere a bit safer than your C drive, maybe save onto your cloud storage or OneDrive or wherever you like to store. And let's go ahead and just create a little Hello World app. Let's just go ahead and run a little bit of code. A simple hello world, and this should appear in the console, and there it does. So hopefully this has been a good introduction to installing Netbeans at home.